Hello friends, welcome back to HMS Aviary. Today I will share the updates of my second bedroom. In my previous video, you have seen the updates of my bedroom 1. Hope you liked it. In this video, I will share the bidding products of Budgie. Come, let's see. This bedroom is only for show budgies. These are my breeding setup. Here you can see all these are my breeding cages, and here is my baby flight. All these are baby birds getting ready, and here all these are breeding males, they are in rest, and here few breeding pairs. All these are breeding pairs, they are also in rest. And here you can see lutinos and albinos. All these are semi-adults getting ready. They are around 4 months old. They are getting ready, lutinos and albinos. And these are my breeding pairs. This female is albino female. Here you can see the chick, TCB chick. Actually male is TCB male. I have separated now. And this is a TCB chick, yellow face TCB chick. Actually 2 chicks, 1 chick is out of the nest box now. Here you can see. And this pair is double factor breeding pair. Let's check the box now. And these are the chicks, all double factor in yellow. Yeah, very cute. All are healthy. And here you can see a Spangle female. Male I have separated because they will start breeding again. So this is the chick. It has come out of the nest box, and in box you can see 3 chicks. And this chick quality you can see how nice. This is opaline blue chick. You can see the quality. And here is one breeding TCB female. Male is also TCB. Male I separated because they will start into again breeding, and the female starts attacking the chick. So I separated male. Oh, these are the 3 chicks. All are TCB chicks. You can see the quality of chick. Size also very good size. This is TCB, opaline TCB. And here is a new pair. So olive male and opaline green female. And here you can see lutino and albino breeding pair. They are very good parents. You can see the chicks now. Let me show you the nest box. Yeah, these are the chicks. All are lutinos. And this also new pair, yellow face, and this male is lace wing split male. So I have to see how chicks will come out. So this is new pair. And this is albino male and double factor female. They started laying. Let me check how many eggs they have laid. Yeah, 3 eggs you can see here. And this pair is lutino and albino. They are also new pair. So still it's not laid eggs. And this pair is albino male and lace wing female. Lace wing I have separated. You can see the chicks. All are nest out chicks. See the quality of chick. This is lutino. All are self-feeding now. All are albino and lutinos. And this pair is Spangle male and DF female. New pairing. And here you can see DF male and opaline blue female breeding pair. I'll show you the chicks now. Yeah, these are the chicks. 3 chicks. Another 2 eggs are fertile. Hope 5 chicks will come out. And these are all baby birds getting ready in the baby flight cage. And they got enough flight space for flying. You can see here these are all few females. These are all babies. Here you can see lacewing female, TCB male. All these are getting ready for next breeding round. This male is new addition. This is from imported male. This is from Rob line. This male is very precious. You can see the quality, how the style of this bird. This is a lacewing female. This is also lacewing female. This is Lutino baby. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.